Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Salesforce recently released a new AI product called Agentforce. If you're new to Agentforce, or if you're new to Salesforce in general, here at Solved, we're doing our best to answer questions about what this product is and what it brings to the table. If you have other questions about Agentforce, I recommend looking at our YouTube channel, as we are doing our best to answer all other questions about Agentforce. In this video, I'm going to be talking specifically about one of the fundamental features of Agentforce and how to set it up. So the question that I'm going to be answering today is, what is Salesforce Foundations? Quickly, I want to clarify that there is a feature called Salesforce Foundation. This is Salesforce's charitable organization, and it is different than Salesforce Foundations, which is relating to Agentforce. So essentially, Salesforce Foundations is a free upgrade that expands core Salesforce functionality. It is essentially a way to link together a lot of different features and allow you to play around with the different products that Salesforce offers. So a lot of the products involved here are called Agentforce, Data Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Salesforce Platform, Service Cloud, and Sales Cloud. At its core, Data Cloud is one of the most important components of Salesforce Foundations. If you're curious how much Salesforce Foundations cost, the good news is that it is free, but it is worth knowing that anything Agentforce related is typically credit-based. So what I mean by that is, as you're working with Agentforce, there are conversations taking place between an agent and typically a customer or an internal employee. Each of those conversations does cost money, and for Salesforce Foundations, there is a chance to use conversations for free up to a certain point, and then you will start incurring charges. And as I mentioned, Foundations is essentially a way to try out some new features within your Salesforce instance. As you can see here, Salesforce Foundations builds upon what you've already installed in your Salesforce instance. So if you have Sales Cloud or Service Cloud, when you enable Salesforce Foundations, you get access to more features depending on what products you currently use. There are a few UI enhancements to be aware of when working in Salesforce Foundations. There is a new sidebar for navigation, as well as some home page enhancements. To show you what that sidebar looks like is essentially this, very similar to the traditional navigation, just moved to the side, and then some home page enhancements as well. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to set up Salesforce Foundations. And to do that, I'm going to go over into my dev org and open setup. And you'll notice that one of the very first features here is Salesforce Foundations. When I come into this, it's going to show me some information about Salesforce Foundations. And then there's going to be a step-by-step wizard of what needs to be set up in order to use Salesforce Foundations. And as I mentioned, one of the core features here is Data Cloud. So the first thing you need to do is acquire a Data Cloud license and then set up Data Cloud. I'm going to search for Data Cloud. And you can see here, there's another wizard that walks you through setting up Data Cloud, involving permissions, acquiring the license, etc. Once you've set up Data Cloud, you can go back over to Salesforce Foundations, and you should be able to proceed with setting up Foundations. It's very important to know that in order to use Data Cloud and Salesforce Foundations, there is no charge for setting up Data Cloud initially. But as I mentioned with the credits, you can accrue costs based on how you're testing. Once you've set up Data Cloud, you can also set up marketing as well as commerce if you're interested in those. So this has been a quick overview of what Salesforce Foundation is, as well as how to start setting it up. If you'd like to learn more about Agentforce, check us out at solve.cloud or look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.